Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Gama double-end handmade matte black pattern acrylic made Ebonite fountain pen. And this is the description of this pen. And this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen, because just with photos you cannot fully understand about those pens. So here, this is a complete Ebonite finished fountain pen. And this is a double-ended fountain pen, and this is one of the cap, and this is another cap. And in the both cap you can find there is no clip or any metal things in this pen, and there is a hole here and also the another breather hole here. And this is the breather hole in the cap, which prevents the ink from grogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or abrupt ink through the nibs. And here the brand's name Gama was engraved on the same middle of this pen. And let me open this one side cap, and this is number 4 nib with medium tipped one, and this side, yeah, this is also number 4 nib with a medium tipped one. And there is no more difference between those nibs. This may be this is not a quite super fine one, and this is not a exact medium one. This is on the middle. These both are looking like a fine or the medium. And here the ink filling system is an eyedropper one, and there is a separate in this middle. So this has a separate tanker and this has separate tanker. And let me show this. And importantly, on Ebonite and the acrylic and or the plastic made eyedropper pens need to be maintained properly, like in the thread portions importantly. And yeah, all the threads are turned to worn out, so please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the pens for the ink fill. And this side, and also whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, you will get a leakage path, and this too has a separate tanker. And also both the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 2 or 3 ml of inks in this. And now the diameter of this pen. This holding area has a different size, like here it is a thin portion, here it is a thick portion. So at the center, at the top portion, the diameter of the holding area is 8.8 mm, and at the bottom portion 10.6 mm. And you can hold as per your wish. For little fingers they can hold here, or for bigger fingers they can hold here. This is upon your wish, and they same for the both. And now the body's diameter is 14 mm. And now I'm going to give the writing sample of this. For today's writing, I'm going to use our emerald green ink, Penhouse green, emerald green. Wow, very smooth writing. And again on this side, this is quite a fine tip comparing to that. So one is like a fine, another one is a medium. The writing is so smooth in both the sides. And yeah, now I find this one pen, one side has a medium tip and another has a fine tip. And on pen maintenance, you have to clean the pen with water regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink like our pen house ink or Brill, Suleka, those and all, they will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will blocks the ink's passage in the feeder, so it will get a scratchy writing in turn, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, please remove the nib unit and feeder unit separately by holding this together and turn and pull it out. So, and in Gama pens, this is a little hard thing to remove the nibs and feeder. If you can, just try. Otherwise, you can also consult with us, and we will give you some tips. And we are having those tools. This is quite easy job to remove this thing for us. And yeah, just try, or else you can do this in the grip portion itself. And if you then you can soak in the soap water for some hours and then brush and clean the feeder unit fully with an on in running tap water also. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here it is a Brill bottle, and here it is given: clean your pen with water before filling with Brill. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so you will get a good ink flow and very smooth writing. And whenever we dispatch the pens to our customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. And make sure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And now the total length of this pen is, means total weight of this pen is it is 29 grams. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.